Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today I'm gonna tell you about macOS Sequoia features. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. macOS Sequoia is packed with exciting new features and improvements. Here are some highlights. Window management. Window tiling. Easily organize your workspace by arranging windows side by side or in a grid layout. Dynamic resizing allows you to adjust window margins effortlessly. Presenter preview. See exactly what you are going to share in video calls before displaying it. iPhone mirroring. Enhanced security. New authentication options ensure a secure connection between your Mac and iPhone. Drag and drop. Seamlessly move files, photos, and videos between your iPhone and Mac. Safari updates. Video viewer. Minimize distractions with a clean and focused interface for watching videos. Web apps. Create web apps directly from Safari and add them to your dock for quick access. Accessibility. Vocal shortcuts. Execute some prompts and Siri requests using voice commands. Background sounds. Access ambient noise like rain or white noise to help maintain focus. Apple Intelligence. Writing tools. Proofread, summarize, and rewrite text with advanced AI capabilities. Smart replies. Quickly respond to messages with suggested responses. Battery management. Low power mode. Easily toggle low power mode from the battery menu to conserve energy. These features make macOS Sequoia a powerful and user-friendly update. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.